is made with the SUS304 stainless steel material. And you can see it's no fingerprint. Very good, no fingerprint. And here is the top side. We will fix this top spray indeed. You can see, connect this tube with this connection. Very easy. And here is connect to the air switch. And here is our touch screen. You can control the temperature here. And you can also use this like a mirror. And this one is the control switch. The first one, you can control the top rainfall spray on and off. And here is control the hand shower. This one is control the side spray. And you can see it's made with the crystal style, very luxury. And here is the side spray, 4 side spray. You can use to make the spa for your body. And here is the connection, connect the hand shower. Here. The hand shower is made with the SUS304, very heavy. And you can also adjust the supporter, very convenient. And here is our foot massage spray, and also for heating the water. When the cold water in and running in the